The monotone voice. You may or may not be aware that you have a monotone voice, and you likely don't have an extreme one, but you could perhaps vary your pitch a bit more. The extreme samples are people who talk like this, either robots or the famous principal teacher in Ferris Bueller's Day Off who keeps saying, Bueller, Bueller, Bueller. Oh, it just makes me immediately want to fall asleep. Imagine what your audience is feeling like if you are delivering your speech in a monotonous way. It is just going to make their eyelids drop. I can guarantee it. But there's a very, very fun way for you to identify whether or not you do have a little monotone and how to rectify this. So we're going to do a little humming and then we're going to do a little speaking. So first step in this exercise is to read the sentence aloud. I'll say it and then I want you to say it right after me. I'm going to the matinee today. Go ahead and read it yourself. Then next, you're going to hum the sentence in the same way you just said it. And you can hear right away that I have some pitch variation. My voice is going up and down in different vocal tones. If I had a very monotonous voice, it would sound like So, to enhance your pitch variation, I want you to even go a step further and overemphasize your pitch. And then speak that. I'm going to the matinee today. That might be a little overkill. Let me bring it back to natural. I'm going to the matinee today. Simple, right? So to review, you're going to read a sentence that you really want to have some pitch variation on. You're going to hum it as you would normally. Then you're going to overdo the hum and really bring out some pitch. Speak that and then bring it back to a natural level that you feel like is going to really be the most natural way for you to deliver your speech. The more monotone you are, the more you'll need to do this with your entire speech, or there might just be certain sections. Again, recording oneself and watching back is one of the most useful ways you can learn about just how monotonous your voice may be.